How to Sell on eBay for Beginners 2023 eBay Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use eBay for, your selling, for making money, and how to use it to just, get started. So as we know, eBay is a fantastic platform for selling all sorts of items, and it's a great way to make some extra money or even start a full-fledged business. It could be a dropshipping business or, retailing, whatever. So in this video, I'm going to be taking you through the basics of setting up an eBay account, listing items, and maximizing your sales potential. So first off, setting up an eBay account. The first step to selling on eBay is to set up your account properly. If you don't already have an account, go to the ebay.com and click the register button as so. So you're going to come here, okay? And once you come here, what you're going to do is you're going to register up here. Okay. Now, once you go and register over here, you're going to add in your name and your details. And once you've done that, you're going to add in your email. And once that is done, you're going to add in a good password, a good, strong, secure password. And once that is done, you're going to go ahead and create an account. Now, it says we've emailed a code. So you're going to go ahead and verify it. So the code is 671938. So 671938. Now, once that is done, and you're properly verified, as you can see, your eBay account has been properly made. Now, you'll need to enter all like your personal details, and once you've set it up, it's important to familiarize yourself with eBay's policies, such as, their nitty-gritty rules around selling and fees, and make sure you understand what you can and can't sell and how eBay will charge you for your sales. For that, what you can do is you can just go on help and contact, and once you're in help and contact, you can see all like the information they have to provide you. Go with their policies, check everything out, just get familiarized pretty well. Now, once that is done, let's move on ahead to listing your items. Once your account is set up, it's time to start listing your item. To do this, click on the sell button in the top right hand corner. So here we go, sell. Now, what's going to happen is you'll need to choose a category for your item and write a description of what you are selling. So as we can see, we have the steps. So learn the basics, list your item. You can list new or used items and pay a final value fee only when it sells. Get seller protection. You're protected by policies, monitoring, and our customer service team, and choose when you get paid. So you can choose either daily or weekly payouts, and we'll deposit your earnings directly into your bank account. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go on list an item. Now, once you're in list an item, here you can see, tell us what you're selling. So you're going to have to categorize, as I just told you. Make sure your category is pretty clear. So let's say you're selling shoes. Okay. I am selling shoes. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search. And as you can see, for your shoes, we find these matches. So let's say I am selling Nikes. Okay, I'm selling these Nike Dunk Low Retro Red Swoosh Panda. So select the condition of your item: new with box, new without box, new with defects, or pre-owned. So you can go with one of these. I'm gonna go with new with box. Now once you go with new with box, what's gonna happen is it's gonna have you to verify yourself and stuff like that. For the verification, it's gonna give you these pictures, so just correctly verify. And once you have verified, over here it's gonna ask you for your contact information. So you're just gonna add these things in, and you're going to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, what it's going to happen is once you're properly verified, it's going to bring you to this description section. So welcome to your new listing tool, etc. So once you're here, make sure your description is clear and concise and includes as much detail as possible. You will also need to include photos of your items, so make sure they're high quality and show your item from multiple angles, because obviously people love to see something with a very clear eye. No one wants to order something which they can't see in the first place. So once we're here, as I said, add all your images, add all the things, give a good title, give good item category, and then give a good description. Okay, a description is extremely, and I repeat, extremely important. Without that, you will not sell a good product. So once you're done with this, once you're done with listing an item, then it comes to pricing your items. Now, when it comes to pricing your items, it's important to do some research to make sure you're setting a fair price. Look at what similar items are selling for on eBay and other online marketplaces, and take into account any fees you'll need to pay. So obviously, our is Nike Dunk Low. Let's see its original price on the Nike website. So if I were to, add it over here, sure it's like on some original website. Now over here, as you can see, it ranges from US $106 to $109 US. Now, if that's for like 106, 109, you can go above or a bit lower. It all depends on you, but please do make sure to keep a viable price, because like if the price is not viable, trust me, not a lot of people are going to be interested in buying it. No one wants to buy an overpriced product, which like other people are selling for less. So yeah, just make sure to have a good price viable product, and once that is done, yeah, you're pretty much good to go. Then, like once you've done all these things, then just go ahead and list it, save it for later if you want to, check the preview of how it's going to look, and much more. So as you can see, you have a draft of this. You can mess around with it later as well. Now comes maximizing your sales. There are several things you can do to maximize your sales on eBay. One of the most important is to make sure your listings are optimized for search. This means including relevant keywords in your title and description, and using eBay's item specifics to give buyers as much information as possible. You can also increase your sales by offering promotions such as discounts or free shipping for multiple purchases. It's also a good idea to be responsive to buyer questions and feedback, and to ship items promptly and securely. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, because in conclusion, selling on eBay is a great and amazing way to make some extra money or start a business. By setting up an account, listing your items, pricing them correctly, and maximizing your sales potential, you can increase your chance of success on this great and amazing platform. Remember to always follow eBay's policies, because like if you go against them, that's just going to be a bad thing for you. Be responsive to buyer questions and feedback, and provide excellent customer service. With these tips and some hard work, you will be on your way to becoming a great, successful eBay seller in no time.
So this is basically how you set everything up with your eBay, and you mess around with it, and get to list products and make good money off of it. So again, if I were to go over all of it, you're going to come to ebay.com. Once you're here, you're going to go and register with a good account, put in all your details, all the sign up stuff and everything, you like all the essentials, all the whatnots. And once you've added all those things in, what you're going to do is just come here, research all the products, research the products you want to add to your eBay. And once you know what you want, just come up here, click on sell. Once you click on sell, then just list your items, keep good bids, good pricings, good everything. And once all of that is done, you are good to go. From there on out, you can just start doing all your sellings, all the pricings, and pastings, everything. All of that can be done in a jiffy. So yeah, that's basically all there is to discuss when it comes to eBay. Now, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to see me, do more videos related to this, like, maybe e-commerce or something like that, please let me know that as well. And if I left anything out, please let me know that as well, and I will fulfill it for you in the comments below. But yeah, until then, thank you for watching this video. I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.